This grant is part of an $82 million US program to support the establishment and operation of 6 global centers, whose research on global challenges will contribute to the bioeconomy. Our center, which is called the Center for Sustainable Plant Innovation and Resilience through International Teamwork, or CSPIRIT, is addressing the grand challenge of ensuring food security for a growing global population in the face of climate change. As our climate changes, the need for new solutions to promote plant resilience grows, and plants are amazing. They produce a huge diversity of potent biomolecules that can support agricultural resilience. But the discovery and characterization of these molecules are a critical first step for getting these new technologies and new solutions into the hands of the people who actually produce our food. My work is in the area of computational systems biology, which basically means we do a lot of math to try to understand how cells work. We're interested in understanding how plants use information encoded in their genomes to develop the diversity of cell types that make up their tissues and how these different cells respond to climate stressors. In the last few years, we've started using single-cell sequencing technology to study how each individual cell in a plant changes in response to the pressures of drought and other climate stressors to try to piece together how whole plants can be made more resilient to stress. The impact of climate change on food production is a critical concern around the globe, and addressing it requires global cooperation. The Global Centre is an exciting and purpose-built opportunity to deepen collaboration between leading scientists and early career researchers, including graduate students from North America, Europe, and Asia, as well as with local and international stakeholders as we work to meet this grand challenge. Our team in Canada and internationally is very diverse with respect to how we'll contribute to addressing the global challenge. The multi- and interdisciplinary approach is essential to the success of our program. Solving grand challenges will rely on diverse knowledge, specialized technologies that can be used by team members around the world, and a free and purposeful program for data sharing, all of which have been built into the CSPIRIT program. This is reflected by the fact that we're supported by both NSERC and SSHRC. The main advice I'd give my younger self is the advice that I give to trainees in my group, which is to think of science as teamwork. Big breakthroughs in science come from building on each other's work and by working in groups with complementary skills. So my advice to my former self would be to build your team, engage with people at conferences, sign up for workshops, and stay in touch with the people whose work you admire. Send career and academic updates to your mentors and supporters, and be reliable and trustworthy. If people know that they can count on you to get work done, they're much more likely to get in touch with you, to invite you to participate in big projects like this. And honestly, working as a team makes science a lot of fun.